wanted to find some new handles for the saucepan lid. I managed to pick these up off Amazon. There seems to be quite a few sellers selling them, and they're very easy to fit. You get, oh, that's the old one, that one goes with there. You get a little screw with a silicone cap, so that goes on the inside there, and then on the outside you got one of these. They're about 60mm across, and then the handle fits in like that, and you just put the screw through. So on this side it's just the screw and the silicone cap, and then on this side you've got the base plate and the knob. The hole in the glass was 10mm across, just there. So, and these are 6mm screws. They fit really well. I'm really pleased with it. So it didn't cost much for a box of 5, I think. I'll put a link in the description from Amazon where we got it from. But like I said, there's lots of sellers selling handles, so you can find some similar to these, or the same as these. It will do the job. I thought these were T-file, but it was originally Meyer. So I guess these are pretty universal. So I'll swap the other ones now.